the Libby app. That's where you can get digital books and you can get audio books, digital ebooks. They're saying that the free library app where you can borrow ebooks and audiobooks just dropped a new feature called Inspire Me. So it's an AI powered app that gives you 5 book recommendations based on the books you've already saved, liked, and it gives you prompts that you pick, like give me something motivational or mystery reads. The catch is the book it recommends are ones you can borrow right away from your library. Now, here's the good and the positive about this: it saves time. Instead of scrolling forever through options, it serves up 5 picks that might match your vibe. No extra cost. It's all free inside of Libby, just another tool for discovery. Instant access. The AI only recommends books you can actually borrow now and with no wait list. Now, here's the concerns saying that the privacy folks are worried about given that AI is reading their lists. What are they going to do with my data? They're replacing people. Some readers say, I'd rather ask a real librarian than an algorithm. Trust issues. Many of us already side eye how AI uses info, even if Libby says they're not selling the data. People are cautious. Now, they claim that Inspire Me doesn't collect personal stuff, just the book titles you choose to share. There's no tags, no device IDs, no private information, no sharing with outside AI models or third parties. They frame it like AI is just here to spark ideas, not to replace your librarian. But the big picture, this is part of a bigger conversation. Do you really want AI inside of spaces like libraries where we trust the librarians? And the library is supposed to be a community field thing. Now you're bringing AI into the fold. Are you comfortable with that? And some folks welcome the help. Other feels like it's a step towards replacing the human touch. AI is one of those things where it's like, I don't need you anymore. Because the librarian is going to say, did you go on the Libby app? Right? As opposed to the librarian actually doing the actual work. I don't know. That's a personal question that you have if you go to the library. Bottom line is Libby just wants to use AI to make book discovery easier, but it's walking a fine line. And it's convenient, but some readers aren't ready to let AI pick what's on their nightstand. Question I have for you is your thoughts on Libby Inspire Me. 1, this will save time. 2, it will eventually cut out human interaction. 3, libraries have to stay innovative. 4, I don't go to the library anymore, so who cares? Or 5, this is Libby's way of trying to stay relevant. 1 through 5, let me know in the comments. Your thoughts on Libby Inspire Me. Rebus?
I like the human aspect of the library. I remember going after school. I remember going on the weekend, and I used to get a typewriter, and I used to type papers out. Things changed now. Everything is going to AI, and the internet has taken over everything, and everybody has their phone, and you can type out what you want to on there and go get it printed out. There's no need for a library anymore. No one's reading anymore. So I miss the human aspect of the library and the peace and the quiet. When you say something in there and the woman looks at you and tell you to shut the hell up. That was fun. They're taking all the fun away.
So when was the last time you went to the library?
Oh, I was a teenager, but hey, we ain't talk about that now.
Oh, hell no. This dude said he was a teenager the last time he was alive. Look, the funny thing is, Asia said he about to lie, y'all. Asia said he about to lie. And he said, when last time you went to the library? I was a teenager. Boy, if you don't go somewhere with that.
I ain't number 22 now.
Oh man, I can't. Oh man. Well, for the ones that is using the Libby app, what's your experience with it? Is it convenient? Do you like it? Do you even use it? Or because going to the library, it was pretty cool knowing that you could go find a book, but now everybody's using Amazon. So it's why I go to the library, because I want the book that I want now. And I don't want to wait for a book and now it's on reserve for 30, 60, 90 days before I can actually get my hands on it. Now, if you have young kids, it's great because those kids, you get that full experience, right? Of, hey, we're going to go to the library. We're going to give you this adventure and we're going to map out the day. We're going to have reading time, story time. But as an adult, you're primarily using it for research, using the computer lab, maybe joining some type of community meeting. But now I guess adults are finding that the Libby app is where it's at now. Hey, I can just get the Libby app. I can get the audiobook. I can get the ebook and I'm good to go. Oh, I don't know. It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.